most people don't even understand what AI actually is. They might think about ChatGPT and that's it. But no, AI is more than that. And if you understand what it is and how it works, you will immediately become more competitive in your industry, your job, or your business. AI is not magic. It's not even that smart. It's just a loop that iterates over and over again and becomes better and better. And eventually, it might become smarter than you. The real problem here is that if you don't understand how AI actually works, you might not be given your full potential in your work or in your business. And no, I'm not talking about learning how to code. I'm talking about understanding the system behind this tool. So let's get something clear. AI mimics human intelligence. It almost learns like a human would learn, but in a very specific way. It follows a system. But before we talk about this system, let's understand the fuel that powers AI. Data. Every click, every name, every code, every location, every small decision that you take in the internet, it's all data. And data is what feeds the entire system of artificial intelligence. So now that we understand the fuel, let's break down the 4 steps that AI uses to keep learning and improving over time. Step 1. AI collects data. From every photo, purchases, decisions, locations, everything is data, and AI gathers a massive amount of data. Step 2. AI finds patterns. Once AI has a lot of data, it will start recognizing patterns, structures, and tendencies. And step 3. AI predicts and decides. AI will have all this information from the data collected and will predict and take an arbitrary decision according to the tendencies and the information given. So this is like a test. It might not be correct. That's why we need the 4th and last step. Improve with feedback. So basically AI will send the user an output and it will test if it was correct, wrong, it was not that precise, it can be more suitable. Everything gets better according to the user's feedback. That's why in almost every AI tool, program, or application that you use, you will find somewhere in the screen a little text asking for feedback, because this might be one of the most important steps in this technology. That is the main reason why it becomes better and better, and this is the same reason why you feel that ChatGPT knows you more and more, and even uses the same words that you use and talk the way that you talk, because AI has been learning from you again and again, and AI has been receiving feedback from all your answers. Now it can even mimic the way that you express your ideas because of the constant data and feedback that you gave to ChatGPT. And this loop applies everywhere, not only in ChatGPT. This is the same reason that an e-commerce store knows exactly what to offer you after what you previously bought. This is how the YouTube algorithm knows what content you like according to what you previously watched. This is how Spotify plays music that matches your mood in the moment. This is how Google Maps can give you the best routes according to the time. And this is how also self-driving cars can actually drive with no pilot. So no, AI is not magic. It is a high complexity loop, a relentless cycle of data, pattern, prediction, and feedback. That's what makes it powerful. And more important, that is why you need to master this tool. Because if you truly understand the system behind AI and how this works, you will be able to give better data, better feedback, and really important, better prompts. AI can do everything, AI can improve, AI will never stop improving, learning, and getting better. But AI will always require something from you: data and feedback. So in this new world, those who can give the highest quality data, feedback, and the most innovative and creative prompts are those who will dominate technology and all the industries in this competitive economy that we are living right now.